In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a P&L in Xero step by step. If you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher on how to generate your profit and loss report, this tutorial will walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open your income statement, adjust the date range, and even add comparisons to better understand your business performance. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see several menu options across the top of the screen. Click on the Reporting menu. This is where all of your financial reports live inside Xero. After clicking Reporting, you'll see a list of available reports. From that list, select Income Statement. In some regions, this report is labeled as Profit and Loss, but don't worry, they are the same thing. The Income Statement or Profit and Loss report shows your income, your expenses, and ultimately whether your business made a profit or a loss over a specific period of time. The great thing about Xero is that it automatically builds this report using the transactions you've already entered, so you don't need to create it manually. Once you click on Income Statement, the report will open automatically. Now the next important step is setting your date range. At the top of the report, you'll see a date range drop-down menu. This is where you decide what time period you want the P&L to cover. You can choose from preset options like this month, this financial year, or last financial year. If you need a specific period, click on Custom and manually select the start date and end date that you want to review. After selecting your preferred date range, make sure to click the Update button. This refreshes the report and applies the new dates so you're looking at accurate data. Always double-check your date range before reviewing numbers, because this is one of the most common mistakes people make when running financial reports. Now let's talk about adding comparisons, which is optional but very helpful. Comparing periods allows you to see how your business is performing over time. For example, you can compare this month to last month, or this year to last year. To add a comparison, look for the Filter or More button at the top of the report, depending on your version of Xero. Click on it and find the option that says Compare With. From there, you can select one period or more, depending on how many comparisons you want to see. After selecting your comparison option, click Update again. Xero will now display additional columns showing the previous period's numbers side by side with your current period. This makes it much easier to analyze trends, spot growth, or identify areas where expenses may have increased. Once your P&L is set up the way you want, you can also export it if needed. At the top of the report, you'll usually see options to export as PDF or Excel. This is useful if you need to share the report with your accountant, business partner, or stakeholders. And that's it. That's how you create a P&L in Xero. As you can see, Xero automatically generates the profit and loss report based on your transactions. So the process is really about navigating to the correct report, setting the right date range, and customizing it with comparisons if needed. If this video helped you understand how to create a P&L in Xero, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow accounting and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.